Hey guys, this is Antonio from Innovative Business Solutions. Today I want to show you just a quick update that Power Apps just sent out as early as this morning. So in the past, right, if you were gonna play or test any app that you're designing, you will click play here so it opens the preview. Once you open it, right, in the past you will see everything just like this as canvas, or you probably can use some of the settings to change it out to window size. But they just released all these additional buttons where you can just test as an iPad or different devices, right? So that way, whenever you're designing your app, you just want to make sure that the look and feel of your app and behavior actually works as you were intending it to. And this is funny because yesterday I was with a customer and I just realized that the app I built for them, when they use it on their small computer, it wouldn't look as good as when you actually design it in your, I don't know, 30 inches screen. So this will actually help you simulate what your customers might have or what the end users might have, so you can make your app generic enough so that it adjusts automatically to the best or device that's going to use it the most. So for here, for example, you can see all the tablets that we got listed out, and you can quickly change it here for Samsung, iPad, or whatever it is, or you can actually put a custom width and height if that's what you want to do. Also, you can test it out as a phone, right? You have all different phones formats in case Microsoft hasn't updated, right? And there's just a new phone that comes out. You can actually manage it or change it out here width and height, and that way you can just customize it and test it out. It works fine. Another cool feature they added is this rotation, right? Sometimes when you're in the computer, right, in order for testing mobile apps, you'll need to publish it out, then go to your phone, clear cache, so that basically it gets the latest and greatest. And sometimes, it takes some time to publish it out. With this orientation feature, you can just rotate your device, and actually you can test it out how it looks and works. As you can see, this app that I have is actually dynamic, and it will feed all the screen size, and it will just adjust for it. So in this case, for example, when I'm on the phone, I probably want to make sure that this top banner and maybe the bottom banner are not as, their height is limited, so you can work with your fingers to push it out. So this way, it's just gonna help you make your app dynamic and make sure it works for the devices you're intending it to. So well, I hope you like this video, and I see you on the next one. Thank you.